In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Kanban view in Salesforce. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of how to navigate and use this powerful feature effectively. Let's get started at the Salesforce homepage. This is your launchpad for accessing all the tools Salesforce has to offer. From here, our first task is to click on the App Launcher, often represented by a grid or waffle icon. This feature gives you easy access to all the apps you need, which is particularly useful if you're using Salesforce to manage multiple aspects of your business operation. Once the app launcher is open, locate and click on Leads. And leads are essentially potential clients or customers who have expressed interest in your products or services. Managing them effectively is crucial for maintaining a smooth sales pipeline. Now that you've selected Leads, it's important to adjust your view, starting by clicking on the arrow down button. This allows you to refine your options and see different sets of data. Next, select All Open Leads from the dropdown. Choosing All Open Leads is critical as it provides a comprehensive overview of every potential client that is currently in the sales funnel. This helps you track progress efficiently and ensures no lead falls through the cracks. With All Open Leads displayed, the next step is to click on Select List Display. Here's where things get exciting. From the list view options, choose Kanban. The Kanban view is a visually appealing method to display your leads based on the stage they're in within your sales process. It's an intuitive way to organize, prioritize, and manage your workload with ease. You can now see your leads represented in columns or cards, each indicating its respective stage. What makes Kanban view particularly efficient is the ability to move leads between stages. Click on the detailed box of a lead and simply drag it to the desired position. For instance, if a lead has moved from the initial contact phase to a negotiation stage, this drag and drop functionality lets you quickly update their status. This visual progress tracking helps your team stay on top of their sales activities with minimal effort. Lastly, you might want to tailor your settings to better fit your needs. Click on the arrow down settings icon, which will open options for editing users' information. This feature is incredibly useful for managers who need to update lead details or reassess priorities on the fly. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at leveraging the Kanban view in Salesforce. Mastering this feature helps streamline your sales processes, improve efficiency, and ultimately drive better business results. Thank you for watching, and as always, feel free to dive deeper into each feature to make the most out of your Salesforce experience.